We are here with one of the best doctors that specializes in the back and neck. He is a pain management specialist, a board-certified physician that treats problems with the back and neck. And some of your patients that come in, what are the most common symptoms?
Well, patients that come into my office often complain of neck pain that may or may not be associated with arm pain, numbness, or tingling, or shoulder pain, numbness, or tingling. They also might be complaining of thoracic or mid-back pain that may or not be associated with numbness, tingling, or pain radiating around to the ribs. Most commonly, they come in complaining of low back pain that may or may not be associated with leg pain, numbness, or tingling, or otherwise known as sciatica. What we find out is, upon evaluation of these patients, that this procedure addresses these conditions such as a herniated disc, a bulging disc, scar tissue that might be in the spine, from trauma, or even patients that have already had a surgery on their back and or a fusion of their back that still can be treated with this minimally invasive procedure.
Dr. Williams is one of the only specialists in the world that does a minimally invasive procedure that can detect and treat neck and back problems. Explain this procedure.
What I do is I make a very small 2 to 3 millimeter incision in a natural opening above the patient's tailbone without damaging any bone. It also has a laser, a state-of-the-art laser, and a high-definition camera that I can drive up to the patient's, into the patient's spinal canal and examine the patient's spine for herniated disc, bulging disc, scar tissue, inflammation, and then treat that patient's pain or a condition right there.
All right, Dr. Williams, so I have the procedure on my back or neck. What about the recovery time? How long?
Well, I'm glad you asked that, Jim. Since it's such a minimally invasive procedure and an outpatient procedure also, I usually can have a patient back at their desk job or office job the next week after they have the procedure.
All right, there he is, Dr. Jason Williams, the go-to doctor when it comes to back and neck problems. All right, thank you, doctor.
Thank you so much, Jim.